Hey, what is going on, guys? Edward here, back with another video. Thank you so much for being here again. So today, Friday, NFP day, huge, as you can see here, huge movement to the downside, huge volatility, and markets crash finally. Now, is this just some momentum? Is the market going to continue crashing after this or not? So let's go ahead and review. Look at this this huge pullback we're having right now after the massive drop. The market dropped for about 347 pips. huge drop right here. So I'll show you how I spotted this entry. Basically, this setup was spotted since yesterday, since last night, on a 1 hour. Right here we could see that the market had created an order block at the top. Right here, market was pulling back. We had imbalance, we had liquidity above this little highs right here, and I will show you that I actually send this right here, the setup, to the VIP group. You can see that this was the actual supply zone. All right, this was the pretty much the entry from yesterday. When if you saw the previous video, by the way, if you haven't, I invite you to go ahead and check it out. But this was another sale, and now this one, the market created that little order block right there on a 1 hour. Right here, it was touching it. The only bad thing about this one is that by the time I sent the setup, it was Asian session, so it wasn't the best time to be jumping in this one, because more often than not you can get stopped out during Asian session, since the market tends to consolidate or moving sideways. There's not enough volume though, so you see it was kind of like, if we go 15-minute, oh, you see it was ranging, started ranging after the market hit that zone, started just moving sideways. So I was like, should I get in or should I not get in? I was a little indecisive because of the hour, so we did ended up making the entry manually in this point, because the price was kind of like pushing around, and before I actually went to sleep, I made the actual entry manually. So this morning, what happened, the market started dropping during London session right here. This is London session, started dropping, then started consolidating, pushed up. This push right here happened in New York session right here, this little push coming back to that order block and then reacting immediately. This is when the NFP news were coming out, which was at 8:30 in the morning right here in my country. So after that, just coming crashing down immediately, smashing this previous low, at least taking down this previous lows right there. Beautiful. I wanted to show you the second entry we did today, which was on S&P 500. This was on a 1 minute, and this was the actual entry right here. It was actually a buy. So you can see right here that I also posted. Let me go to the back to the VIP right here. So I posted the picture, send the analysis. This was the setup. The order block was not activated, kind of like there yet. I was actually not watching. I started watching the market when it was somewhere here, when it was pulling back. I was going back to the, like, I was actually checking the setup and drawing everything. So right here we can see that we have liquidity. The market, it's going on a range. It's building up liquidity on the top, liquidity at the bottom right here. You see that little 1 minute order block right there, nice little demand zone. The market went down, it go down, activated the order block, immediately reacting to the upside. Then after breaking this zone, I sent another picture to my students saying, guys, moving this thing, you see, moving stops to break even, taking partial profits. It's always important to be securing profits as you are breaking structures to the upside and putting it on break even. It's very important. So after that, of course, we had, after the crash, because this is why I think also the market still needs to go higher, because this is a huge imbalance. Whenever we have a massive sellout or you know, buying pressure, you know, we have more sellers than buyers or more buyers than sellers, you know, sometimes the market will leave imbalances behind, and those imbalances needs to be covered. So we did have two imbalances right here. I was actually confident on this one that the market would at least push up, at least back to this level. I was seeing another potential order block right here, so that's why I was targeting this area. I didn't want it to go higher because of this. We're bearish, right? The market was crashing. So since this is a nice order block after the momentum, you see aggressive selling, I was aiming my target right there. I didn't want it to hold it for longer. Even though right now it's breaking higher, I just didn't want it to go higher than that because of the probability saying that this is now a supply zone, okay? So I didn't want it to take the risk and just keep it holding it all the way to the top. If anything, maybe I could be looking for sales in this area, but no, I was like, you know, that's basically it. That's a 1 to 7 risk to reward, and I hope it makes sense, this breakdown for you guys today. But that's basically it. This is a short video showing you the entries we took today. And if you're interested on what I'm doing, just recommend you going on my website, teamprofitsenglish.com. You'll find out that I'm offering a bundle which comes with my course, mentorship, and a VIP signal group for life. You're getting those 3 things for only one-time payment. There's a 20% discount right now, so go check it out. You might be interested in that one. If you're new on the channel, please subscribe, give it a big thumbs up. It motivates me to keep posting videos for you guys every single day. And just activate the notification bell so you will be notified as soon as I post a new video. I know you like it. And also follow me on my free Telegram group. Okay, you will find the link in the description below if you want to be part of that team. And I do share some setups and information daily in there that you want to be checking out. So again, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy, guys.